Manipur observed the 23rd Great June Uprising Day today in remembrance of the 18 martyrs who laid down their lives during an agitation to save Manipur territory in June 2001. People, including family members of the 18 martyrs of June 18, 2001, the Great June Uprising, turned up at Kekropat to pay homage to the departed souls on June 18 at Kekropat, Imphal. On June 14, 2001, the NSCN-IM and the Government of India signed a ceasefire agreement in Bangkok, which included without territorial limit. A large number of people came out on the street and agitated, demanding the withdrawal of the three words. During the unprecedented agitation on June 18, 2001, 18 people were martyred. The protesters also burned down the Manipur Assembly building and attacked the CM Banglo. Since then, the United Committee Manipur, UCM, and the All Manipur United Club Organization, AMUCO, have been observing the day annually as the Great June Uprising Unity Day by paying floral tributes to the 18 patriots constructed at Kekropat in Imphal.
What is this observation special about this time around?
For this year, we would like to show to the government of India that we, the people of Manipur, now unitedly standing for the territorial integrity of Manipur. So the government of India should not attempt to fragment the Manipur at any cost. So the government of India should understand the sentiment of the Manipur people. So we are unitedly stand for the territorial integrity of Manipur. This is the main thing of this observance.
What the government of India should do at the earliest to resolve the crisis?
They are keep mum. They are silent spectators. They know everything what is happening in Manipur, but they did nothing for the people of Manipur. The government of India is trying to disintegrate the Manipur since many years back. They know everything what is happening in Manipur, what is the situation of Manipur, what is the history of Manipur, what is the background of this incident.
So, any particular message for the people as well as the civil society organizations?
Actually, we love the peace, but we will not tolerate if those Kokizo militants repeatedly attempt to disintegrate Manipur. This is our short message.
About today's observation, say something about today's observation as well.
Today is the end of the auspicious day for the people of Manipur. In 2001, the people of Manipur show a great courage by sacrificing many valuable lives. Why? Because the government of India at that time attempt to fragment Manipur to instigate a particular community. At that time, the people of Manipur unitedly stand as a solid log to resist the sinister design of the government of India.
Thank you, sir.
P.H. Nandoluang, President, All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUCO, who is also Vice Chairman of the Observation Committee, 23rd, the Great June Uprising Unity Day 2024.